Push yourself today. Notebook ready. Let's speak together. Day 24. So, dear diary, today we're gonna learn so many new things. So, let's start. Negative sentence. Subject plus didn't plus used to plus main verb first plus object plus other word. Oh, aunt. So मैं हिंदी नहीं बोला करता था. I didn't used to speak हिंदी. वह मेरी बात नहीं माना करता था. He didn't used to obey me. I didn't used to hunt anyone. I didn't used to sleep at night. My friend didn't used to trust me. I didn't used to pick a fight. यूज़ टू या करते थे ही करते थे तो डिंट लग जाएगा और यूज्ड टू नहीं होगा यूज़ टू हो जाएगा. डोंट मैस विद मी. मुझसे पंगा मत लेना, उलझना मत. आई डेंट यूज टू गेट माई हेयर कट अंडर द बनियान ट्री. स्नैच मीन्स छीनना. नाउ हैज़ हैव हैड विल हैव. तो हैज़ हैव पास है, हैड पास था, विल हैव पास होगा. सब्जेक्ट हैज़ हैव हैड विल हैव प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस अदर वर्ड. मेरे पास एक कार है. आई हैव अ कार. मेरे पास दिक्कतें थी. आई हैड अ प्रॉब्लम्स. उसके पास अधिकार है सच्चाई जानने का. ही हैज़ राइट टू नो द ट्रूथ. हैड. आई हैड माइंड टाइम पावर गट्स. सो आई हैड माइंड, आई हैड टाइम, आई हैड पावर, आई हैड गट्स. आई हैड लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स इन इंग्लिश. I had friend like you. I had lot of word meanings. तो पास है, पास था, पास होगा. सो रिमेंबर. तो इस तरह हम हैव, हैज़, हैड, विल हैव का यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट. विल हैव. मेरे पास पैसे ही पैसा है. आई हैव नथिंग बट मनी. आई हैड नथिंग बट मनी. आई विल हैव नथिंग बट मनी. आई विल हैव मनी. आई विल हैव नेम फेम. यानी मेरे पास होगा. सो आई विल हैव गुड सेंटेंस. आई विल हैव टॉपिक टू स्पीक. आई विल हैव कंपनी ऑफ फ्रेंड. आई विल हैव बिलीव मी वॉट एवरीथिंग. आई विल हैव बिलीव मी. मेरे पास होगा बिलीव मी क्या, एवरीथिंग. सो लाइक दिस यू मेड सेंटेंस फॉर योर सेल्फ बाय यूजिंग हैव, हैज़, हैड एंड विल हैव. So you will get clarity more. Rule. Now subject don't, doesn't, didn't, won't, have plus object plus other word. तो हम इनमें don't, doesn't, didn't, won't कैसे यूज़ करेंगे. तो has have में don't, doesn't यूज़ होगा. had में didn't and will have में won't ऐसे यूज़ होगा. तो मेरे पास कार नहीं है. I don't have a car. He doesn't have any work. I didn't have time to talk with you. I won't have knowledge of Hindi. I don't have any problems. I have no problems. I don't have anything. I have nothing. I have nothing to talk. I have nothing to study. I have nothing to teach. I have nothing to give. I didn't have car. I didn't have knowledge of English. Government didn't have any good plan. So like this we form a sentence. Now next. I didn't have long hair but after using this shampoo I have nothing but long hair. I didn't have long hair. मेरे पास लंबे बाल नहीं थे. But after using this shampoo, लेकिन इस शैम्पू को यूज़ करने के बाद I have nothing but long hair. मेरे पास long hair ही हैं. I don't have enemy. I didn't have enemy. I won't have enemy. I have self-confidence. I don't have patience for injustice. I have guts. I don't have to say anything. I have a car. I have a house. I have a lot of perfume. I have a sweet friends. I have a Activa. So these are the sentences I make myself, which I have. So I have a lot of study. I have so much dresses. I will have so much knowledge in English. मेरे पास बहुत सारा इंग्लिश का ज्ञान होगा एक दिन. I had too much problems. मेरे पास बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम थी. But I am fighting to that problems. I don't have a bicycle. अब मेरे पास क्या नहीं है तो I don't have a bicycle. I don't have time to talk. I don't have anything to say. I didn't have enemy. I won't have selfish friends. I won't have problems. I don't have dog, but I have dog. I don't have long hair, but I have long hair. I don't have recharge on my phone, but I have recharge on my phone. So like this you make your sentence by using didn't, don't, doesn't, won't. So now next. Interrogative. Do, does, did, will, subject plus have plus object. डू डस पास है, डिड पास था, विल पास होगा. क्या आपको अंग्रेज़ी से कोई दिक्कत है? डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन इंग्लिश? क्या आपके पास आपकी खुद की कंपनी थी? डिड यू हैव योर ओन कंपनी? क्या लोगों के पास देश के प्रति सही मानसिकता होगी? विल पीपल हैव राइट मेंटेलिटी टूवर्ड्स द कंट्री? डू यू हैव योर ओन बिजनेस? डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम? डू यू हैव हेडेक? Do you have anything? Do you have 5 minutes? Do you have something to do? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any idea to get rid of this problem? Get rid of means छुटकारा पाना. Problem means समस्या. Do you have extra pen? Yes, I have extra pen. I don't have extra pen. Tickle means गुदगुदी करना. I have a lot of works. No, I don't have any work. Did you have patience? Did you have victory? Did you have dreams? Will you have a good job? Now rule. Don't, doesn't, didn't, won't, subject plus have plus object. Don't पास है, didn't पास था, पास होगा. क्या तुम्हारे पास ज़रा सा भी धैर्य नहीं है? Don't you have little patience? क्या उसके पास समय नहीं है? Doesn't he has a time? क्या उसके पास खुद के उसूल नहीं हैं? Doesn't he has his own principle? क्या तुम्हारी आँखें नहीं हैं देखने के लिए? Don't you have eyes to see? Didn't you have time to take breakfast? Didn't you have any other options? Didn't you have your own goals? Won't you have any wish for you? Won't you have time? Won't means will not. Won't you have your own story to tell with your loved ones? Won't you have 5 minutes for learning English with me? Now double interrogative question words plus do, does, did, will, subject plus have. What do you have? How many siblings you have? What type of problem will you have while searching job? Bloom means खिलना, blossom means खिलना, repent means पछताना, not repent, it's repent means पछताना. Split the hair, बाल की खाल निकालना. So this is really important. I know you get bored, but in 2x speed revise it because it's really a basic of spoken English. Because boring is new luxury. Boring means you are out of your comfort zone. So get rid of your comfort zone. Quick affirmation time. I am disciplined. I practice daily. I am improving every day. So like this, day 24 done. Tomorrow we continue. Comment and speak your sentence aloud. If you have any doubt, comment below. Bye bye.